Deuxième fois, Jessi Woo Okap dans la ville Okap. Première fois, c'était en 2019 avec Dîner en Blanc. C'était toute une expérience.
Yes.
À l'époque, où tu as filmé Vacation. Première question pour vous, merci parce que d'accord là avec ça rappelle Okap. C'est qu'est-ce que ça veut dire pour retourner au Cap et vous là depuis combien de temps et qui ça expérience temps jusqu'à aujourd'hui?
I mean, ça fait un pile plaisir pour me retourner dans la ville là. Tant que J. Perry's twin just told me, ville là c'est pour moi lié, je viens caler comme. Ville là c'est pour moi lié, je viens caler comme. It's always a pleasure to come back. I mean, yeah, it's been a minute, but so many things have happened here.
Yeah, sure.
Quand pile changement depuis la dernière fois que je suis venu en 2019. So, you know, là, dans les États-Unis, ils découragent venir, like, don't go, you know, there's all these different things. Don't go, there's travel restriction, but moi-même pays, I want to be able to come back as often as I want. You know, like, goal moi, c'est pour me venir n'importe temps. Mon bagage que me fait avec plateforme moi, son bagage que les Wookation, avec mais on joue comme ça pour venir avec 50, 100,
200 mois.
Yeah, like parce que son monde qui mène l'autre côté tant que Ghana, Costa Rica, and it's like, yeah, Ghana's nice, love it, but c'est haïtien moyen, so yeah, c'est haïtien moyen, so I need to be able to do that here, from jeune en jeune pour me fonctionner. So, je ne sais pas si régler là, fixe, ranger pays, faire ça nous capable, ranger pays pour me retourner, pour me faire vocation, pour me mener des amis, pour venir faire foulay.
Bon, c'est pas foulay.
C'est pas foulay même, but you know, like for us to have a good time, like you know, everybody gets to go back to their country all the time, and you know, I'm always hearing, go back to your country, go back to your country. And guess what? You're not telling me nothing negative because my country is amazing.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's just faut nous ranger causer nous, faut nous ranger affaire nous pour plus nan nous qu'à retourner. You know, moi-même c'est petit pays ça mi.
Montreal.
Yeah.
And from Montreal to Brooklyn to Miami and to hosting BET now, it's like we're going to tout ton parcours, and you're like, I can say that loud, you are one of the most followed Haitians on social media. I'm not saying like,
oh no, there's a lot that have more than me, but
I know there's a lot, but you are between all of those, we got like more than 1 million followers, which is not on Instagram as well, which is not easy. So you always put Haiti always there in your sketches, in your comedy, in your music. Haiti is everywhere. How that feel to be reconnected to your roots?
I mean, I've never been disconnected from my roots. That's the thing. So I don't know how it feels to not be connected to your roots. That's the thing. Like,
okay.
M'pa konon vie côté, m'pa fier d'être une femme haïtienne. Yeah, en femme jam. Like, m'pa konon vie côté, m'pa senti que moun haïtien c'est moun que m'ka fier de yo. Like, I just don't know a life without that. I've never waited till it was a cool thing to like, oh, Haiti. I've never, like, Haitians were always cool to me. I've always had high regard for Haitians. And, you know, I grew up in the 90s in Miami, yes. I was born in Montreal. My mom c'est mon Gonayiv, papa c'est mon Jeremi. So I have like the best of both worlds. And
no, pas the best of both worlds.
It is best of both worlds.
Without Okap.
What I mean is like the north. You have to have a north and a south. Yeah, so
definitely.
So I feel like I have.
Gonayiv lan.
Yeah. Parce que like mon Okap, I mean Gonayiv c'est l'allié, like. So I was there for a couple of years, but now I'm in Atlanta. And in Atlanta, gon communauté haïtienne. It's not as noisy as Montreal or Miami or New York or Boston, but I feel like Atlanta, it's bubbling. Like they're there. And I feel like when you say something, they're like, oh, like, okay, I'm coming. Like, so it's a very good community. It's building up and it's really, really good. So yeah, so I feel like I've been so many different places. Balance. I love that about me. So I've gotten to see so many facets of different Haitians living in different locations. So I really like that.
Yeah, ou réussi gérer l'équilibre là entre tout parti ça dans Haïti tout en étant là-bas. Parce que il est pas facile. It's not obvious for someone living in the States to stay connected to Haiti like you are.
No. But that's because, I mean, my mom too, l'on allait dans US, l'on allait dans les États-Unis, en pile parents, yo encourage yo apprendre anglais, to the point where a lot of times the Haitian child will not, they will forget their language.
Nah, the Haitian and you don't survive to the Americanization.
They forget their Creole. And so, ça, c'est ma mom, c'est grand-mère. You know, earlier we were at a restaurant and I was tasting the French fries and I was like, wow, like, c'est comme si c'est grand-mère qui te fait ça. You know, like, my grandma always spoke Creole with me. My mom, yes, she spoke English, and I lost a lot of my French too when I moved to the US because I was trying to learn English and it was so hard for me. And sometimes I felt very like bullied as a kid because I couldn't grasp the language. Like my mom likes to tell this story all the time. Like my first school that she put me in Miami, c'est l'école catholique et puis M'pat fin kon anglais, m'pa kon sa ti moun yo ap di, et puis tellement vin frustré, puis m'camper sous table là, puis m'di I don't understand. But then the next thing you know, it's not that they don't want to speak Creole. You know, a lot of the Haitians that live in the US, it's not that they don't want to speak Creole. A lot of times it's not that they're ashamed of being Haitian, it's that they're trying to fit in.
Yeah, because it's what if you don't fit in, you're gonna get you're gonna get in trouble in America.
Yeah, it can be a lot. Yeah. It can be very challenging.
America don't play. As I always say to people, there's no joke with America.
Yeah. Sou pale panyol, yo gen patience ave ou. But when it comes to Creole, yo pa gen patience pou sa. Anything that is black, they don't have any patience for that. They don't have any concessions for that. You know, living in Miami, this is something I speak about all the time. I saw so much racism when it came to Haitians versus other people who came from other countries. Cubain, lel vini. Mes amis, yo accueilli li. Yeah, okay. You know, like Elian Gonzalez, okay, he rode on a dolphin. You know what I mean?
They make it out of Cuba.
They make it a whole like spectacle. A Haitian comes, it is just the ugliest thing. Oh my God, look at this nigger. Like it's just so I grew up seeing that.
Yeah, I pense que pour moun ki en Haiti so far, we don't necessarily get this perception of the thing of what happening to our people in the United States.
Oh yeah.
And that's why maybe for a lot of us living here, it doesn't make sense for someone to refuse to believe in the States when you got the opportunity. So I think like this conversation, this narrative, it's important. I'm saying for me, for un paquet de monde que me connaît qui des fois choisir rester en Haïti ou bien pour quitter les États-Unis par l'autre côté parce que c'est like the way they are treating black people, especially Asian in America, it's like
c'est oublié ça.
Pas une question qu'à expliquer au monde qui fait grandir ici en Haïti que j'en sais pas aussi facile, aussi intéressant comme on pense.
Everything that glitters is not gold. Ma connais que j'entends dire ça en créole, but everything that glitters is not gold.
On cherche pour ça. Pour dire baba moi on va prendre ça pour Suzanne, moi pas prendre caca pour mon bar. Chaque expression créole qui
all I would say is ouais, c'est pas toujours
ça lié.
Yeah, ça lié. So, yeah, like Black American c'est mon cap passe misère tout. Like, you know, Black American gen là-dedans yo qui garde nous and yo pense que les nous venir, things are better for us too, and it's like no, like because
you're struggling.
Yeah, parce que pays son pays qui raille moun noir. So ouais que Black American a passé misère, so penser pour un Haïtien.
Like immigrant.
Yeah, like what do you think for a black immigrant? If you think Black Americans are suffering so much and going through so much in that country, it's not any better for you that's a Haitian.
Yeah,
don't get me wrong. Yeah, don't get me wrong. There are things that are great.
Yeah, it's America.
It's America. But moi-même, son femme haïtienne, monsieur, son monsieur qui est américain, et chaque fois, nous prenons vol, il toujours dit, dans qui pays où t'as ouais? que nous t'ai installé nous pour nous finir la vie nous. Parce que la vie nous va finir dans l'US. Et ça, c'est un black américain qui dit ça. You know, and so it's not everything you think. You know, there's sometimes when I listen to certain songs from our parents' eras, moi changer pays moi, or Haiti chérie, and you hear what the elders were saying in their music.
You can understand.
They were so right because you think you're leaving this to go live a better life, and it's like
there's none of that.
It's not necessarily what you think. It's not necessarily what you think. So yeah, it's you gotta do more research and talk to more people and get different perspectives, you know. Anana.
Anana.
No, she got cold.
Anana, sweet.
What is this here right here? Juice. Okay. Okay, magpo yung na tablet yung na sayo and yung na kukuit.
They bring kids, schools, get the students to the Citadel at this point. Yeah, that's the thing you can give like $5.
I get more than that. That's okay. I know.
Let me be careful.
So I did
All right.
writing like this.
At first I was like this.
Bring me the camera, please. Army days, can't pick this up.
Yeah, army, and you've been in a war
wow.
French army,
Yes.
and they got French interests.
They just said it.
Man, tropique la mama. That was his room.
This was the dining room, baby, not the...
No. That was like his personal room.
Oh, this is his room?
Yeah.
King
A bedroom.
Henry's bedroom? The beauty of just the land around it, the views are just impeccable. I mean, I think when you think of Haiti, you don't even think of this, like what you see in the surroundings, the mountains, the greenery. I mean, it's just so much beauty. So it feels good to be back. Really.